topic is GCD, greatest common divisor. It is also known as HCF, highest common factor. So let's see what is HCF. Let us take two numbers, 4 and 8. What are the factors of 4? 2 into 2? Yes. And the factors of 8? 2 into 2 into 2. Yes. So what are the common factors? As you can see the term highest common factor. We know factors are the number that divides the other number properly without leaving any remainder. So here factors are 2 and 2. But in 8, because I am doing only prime factorization, I am not taking composite numbers. We are taking only prime numbers. So prime factorization I have already discussed in my previous video. You can refer that. So here 4 and 8 has these prime factors. Now what are the common factors here? 2 is common in 4 and 8? Yes. Again I can see there is one more 2 that is common in 4 and 8. So let's circle it. Let's take these two common 2's outside. Okay, so that is my GCD, greatest common divisor. But the rule is we have to multiply all the numbers that are common in both the numbers. So here 2 is common 2 times. So 2 into 2, 4. So I can say 4 can divide 4 as well as 8. This is how we find the GCD. Let's take 2-digit numbers. Now my first number is 12 and the other number is 18. What are the factors of 12? Let's do ladder method. 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 3 1s are 3. So my factors are 2 into 2 into 3. Then let's do 18. 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9. Always remember we are doing prime factorization. So 2 into 3 into 3. Now what are the common numbers here? Common factors. This 2 is common, so I am circling it. Then again 3 is common, so let's circle 3. Now we will find the GCD, greatest common divisor, or you can say HCF also, highest common factor. 2 and 3. So 2 3s are 6. So 6 is the greatest number that divides 12 as well as 18. So my answer is 6. Let's take one more example. Now we'll take a bigger number to understand it better. So my number is 120 and 225. So now let's do the prime factorization. Again 120. The smallest prime number that we can take is 2. 2 6 are 12, 0 as it is. Again 60 is divided by 2. So 2 3s are 6, 30. We can divide 30 also by 2 because it's an even number. 2 15s are 30. Then 50. It is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 50. And 5 1s are 5. So I got 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now let's do for 225. Now 225 is an odd number. It is not divisible by 2. Let's see, because it's ending with 5. So according to divisibility rules, we can do it with 5. 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. Yes, 45 into 5 is 225. Then 45, it is also divisible by 5. 5 9s are 45. Then 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So let's write here. Starting from the smallest prime number, 3 into 5 into 5. So now what is common? Can you see any 2 in 225? No, it's not there. So 2 is not common. Next number is 3. 3 is common, but only one time. Because we have 1 3 in 120, but we have 2 3s in 225. So there is only one. Minimum occurrence of 3 is 1. So I'll take 1 only. Then come to 5. Yes, I have 2 5s in 225 and 1 5 in 120. So I can take it this also. So what is my greatest common divisor or my HCF? 3 into 5. So 50. My HCF is 50. This is the highest common factor or greatest common divisor that divide both 120 and 225. So I hope now HCF is clear. LCM I have already covered in my previous video. In my next video I will compare both LCM and HCF by taking different numbers and word problems are based on LCM and HCF. So keep watching.